I want you to think about something. What would happen to your business if you took 2 weeks off starting tomorrow? Not a vacation where you're still checking email, not a long weekend where you're available by phone. 2 full weeks completely offline. For most business owners, that question creates anxiety because they already know the answer. Things would fall apart. And here's the hard truth. That's not a team problem. That's not a time problem. That's a systems problem. And today, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Here's how founder dependency gets created, and it's almost never intentional. You start your business, you're good at what you do, clients come, revenue grows, and because you're the only one that knows how everything works, you become the answer to every question. Your team asks you before they act. Decisions wait for your approval. Processes exist, but only in your head. And growth, instead of freeing you, makes it worse. More clients, more complexity, more running through you. You built a business, but you're trapped inside it. The good news? This is completely fixable. There are 4 steps to moving from founder dependent to systems driven. Let's walk through each one. The first step is knowledge extraction. Everything that lives only in your head, every process, every decision, every preference needs to come out. Start by asking yourself, what are the things only I know how to do? What decisions does my team always bring to me? What would break if I wasn't here? Write it all down. This is your business's institutional knowledge. And right now, it's locked inside one person. That's a risk, not just to your freedom, but to the stability of your entire business. Once you've extracted what only you know, you build processes around it. A process is simple, a documented step-by-step way of doing something consistently. Not complicated, not perfect, just clear enough that someone else can follow it without asking you. Think about your client onboarding, your follow-up sequence, how your team handles inquiries, how deliverables get reviewed and approved. Every one of those should have a documented process. If it's not written down, it's not a process. It's just a habit that lives with you. Step 3 is where most business owners stop short. They documented the process and then hand it over and hope for the best. That's not training, that's transferring. Real training means walking your team through the process together, letting them run it while you observe, giving feedback in real time, and then stepping back and letting them own it. The goal is for them to do it the right way, consistently, without you in the room. The final step is accountability. And I want to be clear about what that means. Accountability is not micromanagement. Micromanagement is checking every detail because you don't trust the process. Accountability is checking the right things at the right intervals to make sure the system is working. This looks like a weekly team check-in, not to answer questions, but to review progress against clear metrics. A simple dashboard to show you what's on track and what needs attention without requiring you to dig. Defined decision-making authority so your team knows what they can handle and what actually needs you. When accountability is built into the system, you stop being the quality control, and the system becomes the quality control. If you're the bottleneck in your own business and you're ready to change that, the first step is a systems consult. It's a focused conversation where we look at exactly where execution is breaking down in your business and map out what needs to be built. The link to book is in the description below. And if this was helpful, subscribe, because this is what we do here every week. Practical systems, real structure, no fluff. I'm Rena Mora, and I'll see you in the next one.